I received this Haakaa silicone cleaning brush as a gift, and it's been really useful for cleaning baby items. This brush is made with soft silicone bristles, which makes it gentle but still effective. It's double-ended, so you have two different brush sizes to reach into smaller areas and wider containers. I like that it works for so many different things: breast pumps, milk collectors, baby bottles, and even breast milk storage bags. The silicone bristles clean well without scratching or damaging anything. The brush is easy to rinse clean, dries quickly, and doesn't hold onto odors the way traditional sponge and bristle brushes can. It also feels sturdy and well made, not flimsy. The pink color is cute, and the overall design is simple and practical for everyday use. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift. It's gentle, versatile, easy to clean, and it's definitely something I reach for regularly when washing baby items.